Thank, oh my God. Thank, it's like you guys gave him 50, you gave me 50.
You know, I had to work this morning.
Oh, okay.
I had to work like 50 hours.
Wow, they're paying cash. Well, thank you guys. It's coming from the bottom of my heart.
Here, I'll give this $6 and
Wait, take out that thing so I can see it on the video. That take the to-go box out.
What?
Move it.
No,
Yeah. So it's recorded that they're paying. What do they have, dollars?
Paying in pesos.
Wow, so sweet of both of you. Hey, for 44 years of my life, this is the first time somebody paid for my lunch. Well, I'm so touched. Velvet touch. If I only knew you're gonna pay, I ordered more.
I told you we were. We invited. You didn't even eat your food. I was just, why am I eating it? I'm just
Hi Fiona, it's lonely. She paid for my lunch and then she gave me a finger. Fiona. Oh, later you're already gonna be on YouTube.
where did I show it to?
To the world.
She's putting it on YouTube.
No, you wait. It's okay, I'm already doing that.
I'm gonna say Fiona's 44th birthday. That's what I'm gonna name it. I'm not gonna name Maripel.
You're the one wearing green.